Viewers, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, that is EasyGet India. I hope you all are enjoying your day. So today's video is all about the 2023 Mahindra XUV E8 electric SUV. So let's begin. The Mahindra officially showcased its 5 new electric concepts SUV that will soon go on sale from 2024 onwards. This includes the new XUV E8, XUV.E9, BE.05, BE07 and BE29. All these SUVs will be based on a new skateboard platform that will specially be made for the upcoming electric SUVs. This new platform will be co-developed by the Mahindra and Volkswagen group, currently also being considered as the electric version of the recently launched XUV 700 in India. The new Mahindra XUV E8 will be the first electric Mahindra car to go on a sale. Here are all the details. So starting from the design, the new Mahindra XUV E8 will remind you of the XUV 700 by most of the angles. Save for an updated front fascia. For starters, this new electric SUV boasts wider and more prominent DRLs than the run across the width of the car, and a much bigger and bold front grille that gives it an aggressive and a strong character. In addition to this, it also gets a new headlamps and a sharp bumper design that gives it a unique in the identity when compared to the XUV 700. The side profile, however, remains similar but is complemented by the new and futuristic looking alloy wheels and attractive graphic inserts that highlights the strong character lines of the vehicle. The rear also looks similar but get new tail lights and a sportier bumper design. In all, the Mahindra XUV E8 remains a smart looking vehicle and will definitely attract a lot of eyeballs when out there on the road. For the dimensions, the Mahindra XUV E8 will be 4740 mm in length, 1900 mm in width and 1760 mm in height. The electric SUV will boast a wheelbase of 2762 mm when compared to the XUV 700. The new XUV E8 is 45 mm longer, 10 mm wider and 5 mm taller, while will boost a strong road presence with its aggressive and bold styling. The new XUV E8 will be offered with an extremely premium and comfortable cabin that will offer a segment leading in cabin experiences. The XUV E8 will feature a 3-row layouts and the buyers will also be offered with the captain seats in the second row with some select variants. Needless to say, the comfort levels will be impressive, while the seats too will boost impressive comforts. The new Mahindra XUV E8 will be offered with a long list of features, including a vertically mounted 3-display setup for the instrument console and the infotainment system, wireless charging pad, seat memory functions, auto-dimming IRVMs, cooled glove box, push-button starts, electric gear shifter, seat ventilations, connected car tech, a large panoramic sunroof and other features like the connected car tech. In addition to this, the XUV E8 will also get many other advanced features like a heads-up display, voice commands, automatic wipers, headlamps, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, multi-zone climate control, etc. Thank you for listening this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.